Welcome back to Money House Media, your trusted guide to financial clarity. In Part 1, we asked if homes are getting smarter or just unaffordable. In Part 2, we looked at the green home revolution and the price of sustainability. In Part 3, we showed how AI and automation are changing the way we build and finance homes. Now, in Part 4 of 5, we tackle the big one, the housing shortage, and the innovations racing to solve it. Because the real question isn't only how we build more homes, it's if family can finally afford to still own one. America is short between 3.5 to 4 million homes. That gap is what keeps prices high and keeps young families stuck renting. Traditional construction is slow and expensive. The average home takes 7 months to build and costs roughly $150 to $200 a square foot. If we want to close the gap, we need speed, scale, and efficiency without cutting corners. Here's where modular construction comes in. Instead of building every wall outside in the weather, factories build each section indoors. Those sections, called modules, arrive on site and connect like precision puzzle pieces. The result, up to 90% less waste. Homes finished in weeks instead of months. Lower labor costs, and fewer delays from weather. Companies like Lenner, Boxabel, and volumetric building companies are already printing and assembling entire communities this way. Imagine driving by a lot on Monday and seeing a family moving in by Friday. That's not a dream, that's 2026. And according to Goldman Sachs, construction innovation like this is one of the few real levers that can close America's housing supply gap over the next decade. When builders save time, they save money, and that savings can flow to buyers. Modular and factory-built homes cut carrying costs and financing fees for developers. That's why some pilot projects are already selling for 15 to 25% less than traditional builds once scaled. Picture a home that would cost $480,000. The old way, selling for around $400,000, because it was built in a factory instead of a field. And because factory homes use precise materials and airtight design, monthly energy bills drop too. That's how innovation turns into real affordability. Not everyone can or should buy a whole house right away, and that's okay. You can start by owning a portion and build equity over time. Shared equity programs and community land trusts help buyers purchase at a lower price while keeping the home affordable for the next family. Meanwhile, BlackRock and other finance leaders are backing fractional ownership through tokenization, splitting real estate into shares so everyday people can invest and benefit from growth. It's a new path to wealth building. Start small, own a slice, and grow your stake as you go. For many families, that slice is the first step to full ownership. The housing shortage isn't just a market problem, it's a human problem. Innovation homes create jobs in factories, not just construction sites. They make rebuilding after disasters faster. They bring new hope to families who thought homeownership was out of reach. Every panel, every module, every innovation is really about people, because a house isn't just a structure, it's where a life happens. So, can innovation and modular design really solve the housing shortage and make homes affordable again? The answer is yes, if we embrace change and work together. If this episode gave you clarity or hope, hit subscribe and join us for the final chapter. Part 5. The Human Transition. Thriving together in the new housing era.
This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult a licensed mortgage professional before making loan decisions. Equal Housing Lender. NMLS ID 1020597.
Building homes is building hope, and hope is the foundation of every community.